Hi babe, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? Hope everything is going good. I am here today to film this panel tutorial. You can see the panel right here and behind me. I have it in my craft area, and so I'm gonna show you guys. It's really quick, nothing much to it. You just need a glue gun, some scissors, scissors, your foam board, which I'm going to show you in just a second, and yeah, I believe that's it. I've already pre-cut my fabric for the panel. I'll tell you guys the measurements of that. So give me just a second. I'll be right back. I'm going to pause because I don't have the ability right now to edit. So we pause, okay? All right, hey guys, I'm back. As you can't see me right now, I am out of the frame so that I can show you what we have going on. These are the panels. I'm gonna show you the measurements. I'm sorry, for the panels that I have. So there are 6 panels, 14.5 inch by 48 by 3 4. It's a 3/4 thickness or whatever. You can see it there. And this is the insulation, DIY insulation kit. It says multi-use attic, basement, garage, shed, and crafts. So you can use it for your home all around. I paid, I think, $9.99, of course, plus tax for this. And this is how the foam board looks. It's just a piece of foam board. See that? Perhaps I should try to slide y'all back a little bit. Hold on. All right, so that's much better. Slide you guys back there a little bit. So this is the board. You can see that. It's 14 inches wide, and 48 inches long. This way, okay? So I already got my hot glue gun heating over here, and so hopefully I could get it. So what I do is I'm gonna take the fabric. This is your fabric. The fabric, let me go ahead and measure that real quick. So I can tell you, I wrote it down, but I don't know what I did with my little book I put it in. So it is wide. It is, let's see, 16 inches wide, and let's see, and 50 inches in length. So it's 2 inches longer than the actual board. So that's that. So what I'm gonna do is lay this fabric face down. So right side to the ground. And for some reason this don't seem long enough, but I know it is because I did it the last time when I did the first one, so it should be long enough. Focus. Right? I'm gonna lay this out on the ground. Gosh, this is so awkward. The last time I had my camera set up a different way, so I was able to get everything. Then we're gonna place the, it's definitely big enough. So we're gonna place the board face down on the back side of the fabric. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all if I can, right? Never mind my booty being all up in the air. So this is how it looks down there. I'm trying to, oh shit, hold on y'all. Anyway, hopefully you get the gist of that. Jeez, this is so hard to film. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I should have one of my kids helping me. Sorry, y'all. I'm getting hot. Well, let's get this done. I had this hooked up to an extension cord. So what I do is, I'm gonna go down the length of it first and just pull the fabric tight. I need something. Anyway. Okay, so I might need to, let me see. Bring y'all over here some. I'll do the left side, the right side first. Let me see. Okay, so hopefully you'll be able to see there. Okay. So all I'm gonna do is take the fabric. Oh, that's kind of short. Instead of it being 16 wide, you may want to cut it 18 inches wide. I bought three yards of fabric. So you may want to cut 18 inches across instead of 16, I think it was. So that way you'll have a little bit more fabric on the side, because I'm working with not a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing that down. You just place the glue directly onto the board. Just a little thin little strip. Let's see. Wait a minute, y'all, it ain't coming out. Here we go. It don't have to be a whole lot of glue. It's just, I need something to help me. If you could get something to help you like lay it down, because the glue is hot. Like, I don't know, whatever, something flat to help you kind of like smooth it out or whatever along the way. That'll be good. We're just gonna keep applying glue. The length of this thing. I don't know, my glue gun wanna act funny on me right now. I don't know, you might not need, oh shoot, y'all. I'm saying this is raw and unedited, okay? So y'all gonna get the whole everything. Ain't gonna be no real cute tutorial, honey. Raw unedited. Shit, I'm trying to get that stuff on my carpet. Make sure I ain't pulling it too much. I don't have no more on the other side. So make sure, try to keep your board down so that you'll have enough room on the other side to pull the fabric as well. The fabric is a little bit stretchy. Oh, fuck my makeup. So, you'll have, you know, some room to tug on it a little bit. And you just rub your hand over it like so. I keep on having to move this thing, y'all. Well, we're gonna find out if we mess up or not. Okay. I'm trying to not move it too much, so I'll just kind of bring y'all like this. we're almost done, and then I'll do the other side and I'll come back once I'm done gluing this one. It's the same thing each side. Then we'll do the top portion, the widest part, and then finish it off. Show you guys how to do that. When I first initially did this, I bought a staple gun to do it, and I found out that wasn't the right way to do it. It didn't work because the staples didn't really stick to it. They just kind of, you were able to pull them up really quick. I mean, not pull them up really quick, but pull them up so they wouldn't have stayed. So I will be back. Oh, shoot. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute.